Good afternoon, students. How are you? I am Renuka Vaidya. Today we will going to conduct our next topic of our subject Java. Today we will start next concept of exception handling. What is meaning of exception? Exception, the dictionary meaning of exception means unwanted, something unwanted. Handling means to handle that. In Java, we use exception handling means some unwanted errors we can handle in Java. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that the normal flow of application can be maintained. In general, we discuss, for example, we will discuss cases. In one case, suppose you want to go to your college. This is your daily routine. At 10 o'clock you go to college and you come from college up to 5 o'clock. Okay, this is your daily routine. Using your bike you can go. You always use your bike to go to college. Okay, sometimes at 10:30 you start to you pick up your bike and going to college. After some time at 10:30 your bike will be punctured. If your bike puncture, then what you do? आपको पता था कि आपकी बाइक पंक्चर होगी? नहीं होगी. Like on the spot आपकी बाइक पंक्चर हो गई. Then we can call as an exception. Some exception occurs. Okay. In another event, suppose you want to go to one program and accidentally rain falls there. Then what you do? You can do some alternative way. In that cases, you can use umbrella. You can use raincoat to go to attend that event. Means what? Rather than repairing that exception, you use some alternative way. अपने कुछ alternative सोचा उसके बारे में. The alternative way, for using that alternative way, is known as handling that event or handling that exception. In first cases, you can use share rickshaw, you can use taxi, you can take lift, and you can go your college. मीन्स आपका रुका क्या कॉलेज जाना? नहीं, आपने अल्टरनेटिव यूज करके कॉलेज आप गए तो आपने आपकी टास्क कंप्लीट कर दी. In second event, you attend that programs using some alternative way. Same here, in exception means you can use some alternative way to handle that errors or handle that exception. Exception is a runtime error which arises during the execution of Java program. The term exception in Java stands for the exception event. So exception are nothing but some abnormal or typical events which occur during the execution which may interrupt your normal flow of program. Those unwanted events which disturb your flow of program is known as the exception. And handling that exception is known as exception handling. Okay. When this error comes at runtime error or at compile time, these errors come. Okay. And how we handle? Rather than repairing that event, we can use or we can search some alternative way. Okay. For example, here we will discuss one example. Suppose there are 10 statements in a Java program. An exception occurs at the statement of 5. The rest of code will not be executed. That is statement 6 to 10. Will not execute it. However, when we perform execution handling, the rest of statement will be executed. This is known as exceptional handling in Java. We will discuss it in detail. Suppose statement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10 statement there are. If this all normals, then this will execute 10 statement. If there is any error occur at statement 5, then only 4 statement will give result and remaining will not give the result. Okay, how we will see practically. Okay, Open your Eclipse or any IDE which you use. Okay, we will create one package. Suppose I create one package. Exception dim. Then I create one class test. Okay, the name whatever you want, you give that name to that class. I want that public static void main in that. Okay, here I will display one exam statement. Suppose I printed here some statement. Okay, if I execute this, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 to 9 and one unnamed message, unnumbered message also display, means that in line display. Suppose here I write 100 divided by 2. Okay, is it execute? We'll see. हो जाएगा, ये भी execute हो जाएगा. Okay, see 1 2 3 4 5. Then this print this statement. This calculation also do. If I keep here suppose 0, is it execute? We'll see. No. The exception in thread, the main Java language arithmetic exception by 0. See here. Here one exception occur. Why? Because of this 0. Because of this statement. This program execute this 5 statement already. Okay, up to here program 5. There is a no error in that statement, but still it's not printed. Why? After that means flow of execution, इसके बाद का flow को यहाँ पे cancel कर दिया. Flow of execution will be stop here. Means here one exception occur. What? One exception occur. Because of that exception, remaining statement will not execute. Okay, how this error repair or how we recover this, we will see when we use some keywords. Okay, come to the slides. Up to it we understood that why we use exception. We use exception because to execute on to our normal flow of program, means unwanted event which disturb our normal flow of program. To handle that unwanted, just 1 minute, I will call you later, please. Okay, come to the point. To handle that exception, we use the exceptional handling. Okay, there are some keywords which we use in exception, and before that we will see some hierarchy of Java exception classes. The parent class of Java exception is a throwable. Throwable is a parent class of exception and error. Here the question arises that what is difference between exception and error? Exception occurs because of our program. Exception occurs because any mistake or any typing mistake or anything in our program, because due to our program this exception occurs. But error occurs the lack of system resources. System resources maybe sometimes your processor will slow, sometimes you have not memory, sometimes there is a issue regarding that RAM. At that time your error occurs. What is difference between the exception and error? The main difference between exception and error is that exception occurs because of program and error occurs because of some system resources. Another point to be noted that exception can be recoverable. Exception can be recoverable, but error cannot be recoverable. There are two main difference between that. Remember that. First is why error and exception occurs, and what is the status of that exception and error recovery status. Okay. The next, there again sub hierarchy of that exception: IO exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, runtime exception. We will see detail that exceptions one by one. Sometimes there will be exception if you forget some to give some semicolon, or some typing mistakes are there, or some arithmetic exceptions are there, or some number formats are there, or some problems related to bound exception. Then, considering these all points, again that runtime exception divided into arithmetic exception, null point exception, number format exception, index out of boundaries exception, and again considering some arrays and strings of index, the index out of boundary exception again divided into array index out of boundaries exception and string index out of boundaries exception. Okay, this is all about the exception. Again, I repeated the exceptions have divided into IO exception, SQL exception, class not found exception, runtime exception. Runtime again divided into arithmetic, null point, index, number format, and again index are divided into array index and string index. Okay, come to the error. Error again divided into stack overflow, virtual machines, and out of memory errors. See, this question will be asked in your exam also. What is the parent class of exception? You should remember that throwable is a parent class of exception, and you should remember the difference between exceptions and errors. Okay, what we see in that today's lecture. In today's lecture, we see what is exception. Why we call exception to disturb. Exception is a disturb to our flow of normal flow of program. Okay, then how this exception can handle it. Okay, next we see advantages of exception handling. In how to exception handling that topic, we will see there are some keywords to handle exception. We will see in next topic or next slides. Here we see advantages of exception and see some hierarchy of exception and see some live code of exceptions. Okay. Thank you.